Hello friends, I'm back with another video. So today in this video, we'll see one practical iPhone feature that you might don't know. So let's take an example. For example, your phone is on silent or vibration, and every phone is on going on silent mode or vibration mode. But you want to allow certain calls to be in ringtone, like for the phone call or for the message. Then this is what you have to do. So for that, go to the contacts, then find the relevant phone number or the contacts that you want to make the call or message louder, even the phone is in silent or vibration mode. Then go to the edit, go to the ringtone. Then here there is a one important feature called emergency bypass. Just allow it. So what it does is it will make your phone call or message from this number on the sounds and vibration both, even the phone is on silent mode. And you can choose the ringtone that you want to select like this. Then once you're done, click on arrow. Then you can do same thing for the text tone as well. Click on emergency bypass. Then here the default tone is not. So once you do that, click on this button again, done button, and click on done button again. So now this phone number is on bypass. So what it means is every phone or message that gets by this number, it will do a ringtone. Even the phone is in silent or vibration. You can try practically. If it doesn't work, then let me know. I will try to help you as much I can. Thank you for watching the video.